ناول کے 10 منتخب اقتباسات
1. Sir, I am the son of my own deeds. 2. The best washed card becomes dirty. 3. Nothing humiliates the poor more than hunger itself. 4. He who does not steal in this world does not truly live. 5. There are things that are nothing but a name and a form. 6. He who is born to be a hammer finds nails falling from the sky. 7. He who spends time regretting the past loses the present and risks the future. 8. He who changes only his place but not his life or habits, never truly becomes better. 9. His eyes were so sunken and shadowed, they seemed a fitting place to set up merchant stalls. 10. My father would say to me, Son, thievery is no mechanical trade, it is a liberal art.
اگر آپ کو یہ ویڈیو پسند آئی ہو تو ویڈیو کو لائک اور ہمارے چینل کو سبسکرائب ضرور کیجیے گا۔ اس عنایت پر ہم آپ کے بے حد ممنون ہوں گے۔